guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I am in my family's room right now. So, there is a mirror, and this is where I sleep, and this is my cousin, my sister, working on something. But I'm actually being a YouTuber right now. But there's lots of videos, but nobody likes it. So let's make that happen. So guys, here's my cousin. Say hi. Hi. And this is my mom right now. Say hi.
Ayan.
YouTube. Here's my shoes. Oh my god! So guys, this is my outfit. Wait. You see it in the first video. So that's it. Let's see. This is my decorator. My sister is to open, and let's see. Wait, it doesn't open. It doesn't work, guys. Let's see the batteries. Wait. So guys, I cannot open this. It's so hard. So this is the calculator. It's hard to open. So guys, this is my cousin. Say already hi. Hi. Oh, that's why it's not. There's no battery. Wait, I grab one. Wait a second, guys. Just. So guys, there's a battery here, and we're gonna place it here. Let's see kung I right. Wait, no. It's, no. Now put this. Let's press that here. On. Wait. No. This battery is old. So let me just take it out. So I'm gonna use this to take it out. So my pinsan is helping me because it's too hard. It's telling me. So strong. So guys, hello, I'm back. So I think the clip is back in the speaker. Wait. Let me do it then. Give me that. Here. Oh, video.
Sige nga, ganyan mo. Labas kayo dyan. Ba't pa nandiyan kayo sa kwarto? Labas. Labas, please. Labas.
So
natin pumasok sa kwarto. Pasok ka na.
So guys, we are
Bibidyo ka lang sa dati mo.
outside. So guys, we are here in our house. This is my grandpa house and mom house. Say hi.
Hi.
So that's my grandpa. So this is my dog. His name is Bambi. So the other one is named Max. So that's his name. And this is my grandpa's phone. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Wait. And this is my Marcus. This is the house tour of my grandpa house and my grandma house. This is our house tour. First, my sister room. My sister is a gymnastic, so and taekwondo. So he loves. This is a clay. We are. I wish this na dito yung sister ko because we made in slime. Here, this is the clay. We're using clay to make slime, guys. Okay.
This is
The sister made slime. Let's see. So, let's see. He is sticky now. Let's see. Bringel, hawakan mo.
Let's go to clear.
Wait. Bringel. Hey, cousin. Let's wash our hands first. To touch it, the slime. Hey! Hey! Bringel! Hey! Cousin! Don't place that there. Hurry up! Let's wash our hands in the bathroom because our grandpa is something lutuin. Hey! Nata! Bakit? So guys, we are wash our hands right now. You can see. And now we touching this slime. Look at that. It's so satisfying. What's this? Oh! Hey, cousin! Ito nilagay ko. Yung clay ko ginawa.
What is that?
It's not sticky anymore. Hey.
Ayusin natin this. Tagalog ka.
No. Guys, we are from the Philippines, so I don't want Tagalog because there are many my fans speaking English. So I'm speaking English now, not Tagalog.
Wait guys, napag-muna pa.
Yes.
Hey guys, I'm US and Philippine. Half Filipino. Hey bro. Diba?
Ano?
US half Filipino tayo.
Yes. So guys, I have to tell you something. Hey cousin, dyan ka muna. So guys, my cousin friend, we are in US, but we are in the Philippines. Okay na. So what are why is so sticky? So we are we are taking a little bit slime. This is my sister's slime. He made it with clay. Oh my god! No! Let's take it. And hey, don't. Okay, muna. So we do this. And my cousin is putting and this is the slime. Hey,